I may do, if I get 50 likes on this video, I'll do another video where how fast is an R32 Skyline, and I'll time the 0 to 60 with the new turbo. 3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Skyline Dude YouTube channel. So as you can see, or as I guess you just saw from my previous video, well, we got the amount of likes that I was asking, so I guess now I'm making this video. So in this video we're going to be testing out the 0 to 60 time on my Rb20 Skyline with the new Rb25 turbo. So I did this once before, about a year ago, kind of when I first bought the car, with just the standard turbo on there. We did a little 0 to 60. Technically this is 0 to 62, you know, kilometers per hour, but we did that, so the footage you're going to see now is what it was. So as you can see, my time was not very good. There were two things that kind of factored into that. First, I was kind of stancy boy at the time, so I couldn't really launch the car at all because I had quite a bit of camber on the back. So there was that, and also I should have probably taken it to redline in second gear. I didn't do that. That probably would have shaved off a decent amount of time as well. So I like to think that that time can get a little bit better. I would like to think I could probably got it like a 6.8 if I was able to launch the car and I wound it out in second gear. So the question is, was the Rb25 turbo now worth it, and is it actually any faster, or is it just kind of a butt dyno kind of thing? So I went out last night and well, we tried it again. Now I went out at night because during the day here in Florida it's really hot, so I wanted to give the car the best chance, do the best 0 to 62 time it could. So at night it's really cool. I figured it'd be a little bit better to do it at night. So the only mod differences from the clip you just saw and the clip you're about to see is a straight pipe and the Rb25 turbo added on. It is still stock boost levels on each thing. I have not yet upped the boost on it. I'm getting there. It's kind of a work in progress, but so those are the only two differences. So let's see if it's any faster. Attempt number 2. Tried to stick it out in second that time. I think I hit it. So we're gonna go back to the footage. I'll put a timer up and we'll see. I honestly don't think I could have gotten my launches any better than that. I got it just enough where I really didn't get any wheel spin, so I'm pretty happy with that. Back to the garage. So there you guys have it. So that was probably as pretty good as I could get it. I feel I actually did really good on the launches. I managed to slip the clutch just enough where I didn't really get too much wheel spin on both runs. The second run, I wound out second geared, almost 8,000 RPM to try to hit that 100 kilometers or roughly 62 mile an hour mark. So there you have it. There's the info. If you were wondering if the upgrade is worth it, well, that's up for you to decide whether that improvement is worth it for you, or if you're looking for something better. Honestly, I'm pretty happy. Also, if you guys missed me saying it before, that was a $300 upgrade by the time I bought the extra parts I needed. I paid about $180 for the turbo by itself. You should be able to get them for around $200. If people are trying to charge more than like $250 for it, honestly, I would be like, nah, it's not really worth it. But if you can get them for less than $250, which you should be able to kind of track them down, honestly, I think it's pretty worth it. So something else, as long as I got you guys' attention right here, if you guys are in the Tampa Bay area and you have a cool, unique car and you would like to be featured on my channel, either message me on my Instagram at SkylineDude951 or drop a comment down here. I'm always looking for cool, kind of unique or fast cars. If you guys want to make videos, I'm all down with that. So we do have some cool stuff coming up on the channel. We did just do an R30 Nissan Skyline, so that is will be probably the next video after this one. I just have to edit that. Besides that, we got some other cool stuff coming up that I'm going to kind of keep a secret until we technically get it all filmed, but it's gonna be pretty awesome. So if you guys have any comments you want to leave, drop them in the comment section below. Let me know what mods you guys have on your Skylines, or what other Skyline videos you would like to see, anything like that. I enjoy talking to all of you, whether it be my DMs on Instagram or just in the YouTube comment section. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you guys are new and here for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Check out my older videos, all my Skyline stuff, all my car reviews. If you like Subarus, I also do some Subaru stuff as well. That's gonna be it, guys. So as usual, thank you for watching, and well, we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.